Greetings, friends. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. How about those cubbies, huh? Over 100 years for the first one, maybe about 10 years for the next one. Let's do it. All right, today, time for a razor review. This is going to be a nice little Italian razor made by Fatip, F-A-T-I-P. This razor is one of their classic series. It's called the Grande, and this is black open comb. Let's take a look. A little walk around the box. Nice recyclable paper type packaging. It has a sleeve over it that says the model number of the razor, 42109. Razor Grande black metal right there. You just slide that off and then open up this little insert right there. Just pull it out and then open the cover. And there she is, seated safely, comfortably inside. Let's remove it. They call it black, but in my opinion, it looks like a very deep gunmetal. And it has a very smooth texture to the head. As you can see, it's an open comb razor. Heading down towards the bottom, there's a smooth band that starts off thin and gets thicker. And then you have these vertical lines on the handle for easy grip. And down at the very bottom, there's a few bands with more vertical lines closer together, more pronounced. That will give you a little extra grip on the razor, however you hold it. At the very bottom, there's a hole, no logo. On the inside part, you can see there is a logo right there, Fatip. I'll give you the specs on the razor right now. This razor weighs in at 2.4 ounces or 68 grams. Overall length from top to bottom is 3.4 inches or 97 millimeters. So not real long, a little bit on the shorter side. Very difficult to drop it in your palms. Better to grasp it more toward the middle, more at the balance point, about right there, for a comfortable shave, since you can't drop it in your palm and spin it because the handle is too short for that. Let's disassemble. As I said, it's a three-piece razor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 turns to loosen it completely. And then here's the underside of the top cap. Here's the top side of the safety bar. And here is the bottom of the safety bar. And you can see that logo right up there, Fatip. And it is recessed in the center. See that circle where the handle fits perfectly inside there. And that will tighten it down real nice. As long as we're using this razor, let's load it up with a Fatip blade as well. That's what it looks like in the packaging. Here's what it looks like in the paper. Let's remove it. It's double wrapped. 2 layers of paper and no glue whatsoever. Comes out very easily, so no problem with that. It says made in EU. And what else, sir? I can't even read. Oh, stainless ice tempered, I believe it is. Very small rating. Stainless ice tempered, yes, if you can make that out. A little difficult to see that, but hopefully you can. So let's pop that right over the threaded post and the 2 pins like so. Reinstall the safety bar. Reinstall the handle. Lock it down real tight. There you go. You can see the teeth. Open comb. Should be a little bit more aggressive than a standard flat bar razor. As I said, this razor is made in Italy. We're going to keep it European with some Spanish leather shaving cream by George F. Trumper and Spanish leather skin food. I believe from Italy, from Rome to Madrid is around 1,200 miles. So you can check on that. Verify for me, please. If I'm wrong, let me know. Let's warm up the Shave Nation bowl under the hot water. The packaging design does kind of go with my jersey, wouldn't you say? I'll use this Italian brush, Parasso by Omega. It's a nice stiff bore brush, very reasonably priced, not too expensive. This brush is about $19. This razor is $34.99 at shavenation.com. If you want to pick it up, just go to shavenation.com, enter SN1887 in the search box, and it'll pop right up. You can grab the razor. Along with any of these other items, just enter what you need in the search box, it'll pop right up. Pour out the water from the bowl. Let's take our Spanish leather shaving cream, open it up just a little bit into the lather spot down at the bottom. About that much of a swirly. Saturate the brush under the hot water. Shake out the bulk of that water and just go right in here. Start swirling. The pressure from the tips into the lather spot down at the bottom, smells great, will help generate lather very quickly. Scoop it around, right back down into the bowl. In just a matter of 20-30 seconds, 20 or 30 seconds I should say, you've got plenty of lather for a shave. Best to shave after a shower, which I took a shower a few minutes ago, but I'm going to warm up my face with some hot water and we'll get right to the shave. All right, my beard is nice and warm from that hot water. Let's grab this brush and our copious amounts of lather and lather up. Just drive it into the beard, starting on the right, working your way across. Swirling, dabbing, painting, however you like to do it, just so you cover all the areas you intend to shave. Nice stiff brush so you can drive it into the beard. I did have several days beard growth too. Had pretty heavy beard growth. So we'll see what this razor can do. Figure 8, smooth everything out, or AKA the infinity maneuver. Swipe, swipe. Clear the runways so we can see our sideburns. Keep them straight. Wet fingers, no problem gripping the razor. It's got a nice tactile feel when you hold it, even with wet fingers. Let's start on the right side, cut that sideburn. Work your way down. Easily removing my several days beard growth very nicely. Wow, very comfortable. Feels really good. Feels a lot better than I thought it would. You can see there's a lot of stubble. Let's flip it over since one side is filled. There's the signature of an open comb razor right there. You'll see some of the cream will slide through and some of the beard residue. Filled up with residue, beard residue, and shaving cream. Let's rinse that. Tons of stubble going down the drain. All right, let's cut that left sideburn. Work your way down. Wow, I'm pleasantly surprised by this razor. Shaves very nicely. Cleft. Rinse. I usually prefer a longer handle, but this is just fine. It's working very well. The blade and the razor, excellent match. Under the nose, it's got kind of a low profile and a nice curve to it where you can get directly under the nose. Very close, very easily. Super nice. Rinse. A quick face rinse. Just leave that residue, that shaving cream residue on the face. Since you're going to re-lather again, grab your brush and bowl. Re-lather for the second pass. Just a light coating this time. The shaving cream lathered up very easily. Has a great scent to it. Cushioning very well. The blade and razor really getting the job done easily. Very efficient. Clear the runways again. First pass was with the grain, north to south. Now we'll go across the grain. For it being as aggressive as it is and an open comb, I really get the feeling like it's very difficult to cut yourself with this razor. Rinse. Against the grain on the neck. Really nice. Fantastic. Rinse. Across the grain. Across under the nose. First with the corner, clean out the area directly under the nose. Then lay it flat. Now the other way. Clean up around the mouth. Excellent shave. Rinse. Now a cold water rinse to the face. Now grab your Shave Nation wide stick Allen block, remove the cap, run it under the cold water. Just glide that all around the areas you shaved. Recap that. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. Just leave it slightly damp. Let's get some of this Spanish leather George F. Trumper. Layer right on top of it. This is called skin food. Very good for the skin. About that much. Massage it together. Smells just like the shaving cream. A little bit stronger, it seems. Massage that directly into the beard. Cooling, calming. Excellent finish to the shave. Check it out. Cheeks, upper lip, chin, neck, everything baby smooth. What a great shave. Fantastic. Let's take a final look at the razor. The Fatip Grande Open Comb Black Double-Edged Safety Razor. That's a mouthful. I almost forgot. As far as an aggression rating on this razor, I'm going to give it, on a scale of 1 to 10, 7.5. I thought that it performed marvelously, removed my heavy beard growth, no problem whatsoever. I'm really smooth. 2 passes is all it took. And the Fatip blade with the Fatip Grande Open Comb razor, just performed flawlessly. I'm very pleasantly surprised by this razor. So if you want to pick one of these up, just click down below the video where it says more or show more. You can grab it right there, or go to shavenation.com, enter SN1887 in the search box. It'll pop right up, SN1887. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 800 videos, shaving and more. Please go ahead and click that subscribe button. Help me get closer to 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. Right now I'm at 97 point something. So help me get over that Mount Everest, which is 100,000 subscribers. I appreciate you, and I thank you for supporting me and my channel, and Shave Nation as well. So thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.